Very, very unflattering angle of a high, but
You want me, boy. The night is young, and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young, and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun.
hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog from the car. Today we have the big car and I'm on my way to pick up my cousin, and then we're gonna go a little bit of shopping because last time I think I did I wanted like a good pair of jeans, and the last time I was at Sarath city I couldn't like shop a lot because I was very irritated, and at the same time I didn't have the patience to try on clothes. So today we're going because I have the big car. I don't have that entire vlogging equipment with me, but please bear with how it looks like this. But hello, I'm all dressed up. I really like my outfit today. It's very comfy, comfortable, very summer appropriate. Even my hair is up in like a really cute claw clip hairstyle. I'm all ready. I just did a little bit of my pieces. I kind of curled them in the last, but yeah, let's go. Let's pick her up and maybe then we'll do a little bit of shopping. Oh, I got food this time because last time from Sarath city, when you come out, especially during the peak hours, you won't find anything until you come to the Royal Tiffins. So I did get food. I got pulihara and junno. Oh my god, junno is, if you're somebody who's from like Andhra and Telangana, you know how much junno is valuable. It's like a dessert. You can eat it as a dessert. You can eat it whenever you want. It's lovely, yummy. But yeah, let's go. This is like the Prada's rip-off. Prada copy. Can I go for a tan back? Which one? It feels like, you know, I can buy Prada anytime. Somebody help me choose. This is very expensive. We did a little bit more shopping in West Side. Now reverse was 0.5 Rado. We went to Zudio, but the line over there was so big, so I still feel Bata is that middle-aged auntie kind of a vibe. I'm a size 4.
నువ్వు కూడా వచ్చావు నేనే నవ్వుకుంటురా
చిట్టా తాగవే సిగ్గుందా అదే తొందర తాగింది నీకేం మాయరోగమే here for some dinner, like a really soft kind of a dinner, like we're doing a little bit of photo shoot. We're here at C53 in Sarath city. This is my second time. I really like their pizza, and we ordered some masala fries and a Pepsi.
मशीन चार्जिंग पे लगा भैया
Maybe.
She's missing.
Light inside. You need to put it on, but it's so pretty.
So close.
So pretty. So gorgeous. So pretty.
This is Aarati's channel. See, she's resting here. Say hi. So we are Aarati Upadhyayula's fans. So she's tepe next tarvata roju cheppu. She has picked some fans. So we are roaming with her on only Saturdays. Okay, see you later. Bye. Yeah, cut cheyima anni pedtada ayanni.
We still the YouTube channel.
Subscribe. Aarati vlogs.
Like, share, subscribe.
Like and
Finally, I come back down. I literally wore Levi's and I went to Levi's. And yeah, I will go back home and probably then show you guys what all I got. Yay!
we got a phone liya yaar.
Never come to AMB on the weekends.
Weekends.
You should never come on weekdays also. Look at this. We are in basement number 4 and look at this. It's like a 4-way and we have to exit.
Yeah.
So let's do a nice
It's a hectic
time
day.
counting. It's a very, very hectic day. Now the time is about, what's the time?
చిన్న చిన్నవన్నీ కొనుక్కున్నాం మేము.
Now the time is 9:10. So let's see by when can we get out of AMB. Okay. I am thinking by 9:30 we'll be out. Because I know AMB cut.
My mummy done. అప్పటికే ఒక చిన్న కుక్క పెద్ద కుక్క ఆడుకుంటున్నాయి ఆటివి ఇటువి లాగి అన్ని వీడు మా దగ్గరకు వస్తే చూచు అని చెప్పి అది అయినా అయిపోయింది. అది ఇంతకీ మేము ఆడ కూర్చోంటే అక్క గిమ్ములు పట్టుకుంది, ఫోన్ పట్టుకుంది, మొత్తం సన్ గ్లాసెస్ అవన్నీ ఇవన్నీ గుచ్చి కదా, అవన్నీ గుచ్చి మంచి 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 అవన్నీ ఫుల్ హైటెక్ అమ్మ. ఆడ పోయి కూర్చున్నాం. ఇంతకీ కుక్క ఊరుకొని ఉండక వచ్చింది, ఈమె భయపడటం స్టార్ట్ అయింది. ఆడతక్క కుక్క వస్తే భయపడుతుంది కదా, అట్లా స్టార్ట్ చేసింది భయపడటం. దాని కిందకి ఏడ ట్రిగర్ అయిందంటే దానికి ఈమె వేసుకున్న నెట్ లాంటిది ఇట్లా వేలాడుతుంది చూడు, దానికి అదో ఆటది అనుకుంది. ఇంకా అంతే, ఈ వెనక తిరిపింది చూడు, ఈమె ఇంకా గింబులు పడేసింది. ఇదేంటి బాగులతో పడేసింది, ఫోన్ పడేసింది, ఇవన్నీ లోపల కింద మట్ట అనమాట, మట్టిలోకి ఇసిరేసింది. నేను అమ్మ ఏంది అనుకున్నాం. అది ఈమె చుట్టూ తిరుగుతుంది. ఇంతకీ దేనికి అంటే
వెనకాల వాటి ప్లేయింగ్
అది ఆటది అనుకొని, అది పాపం కుక్క చిన్న పిల్ల కుక్క అయితే అది ఆటదేమో అనుకొని ఇది ఆడిపిస్తుందేమో అని చెప్పి, ఈమె ఆడిపిస్తుందేమో అని చెప్పి అది తిరుగుతుంది. ఈమెకేమనిపించింది, అది నా మీద వస్తుంది, నా మీద వస్తుంది, వెనక తిప్పేసింది, తిప్పేసి పడేసింది. ఏడుపు మొదలెట్టింది. ఇంకా ఏడుకున్నా బాబాయ్ అనుకున్నాం. ఇవా ఏడుపు, నేను చెప్పాను కదా లేదు కూడా. అమ్మో ఏం ఏడ్చింది. అయితే మేము నవ్వుతున్నాం. అక్క ఆగక్క ఆగక్క అంటారు, మమ్మల్ని తిడుతుంది. మీకు తెలుసా, మీకు అయినప్పుడు మీకు తెలుసు. ఎంత పెంట చేసి తెలుసా ఆడ లాస్ట్ లో ఇంకా స్పర్శగాడ ప్రణగాడ దాని
కాదు అన్న వచ్చి
కుక్కని పట్టుకొని అది అక్క పడేసింది చూడు. అది తర్వాత ఈమె ఇసిరేసిన తర్వాత ఇప్పేసి ఇసిరేసిన తర్వాత ఈమె దగ్గర రాలే, అది దాంతోనే ఆడుకుంటుంది. నేను అట్లా చెప్తే ఈమె ఇంకా మొదలెట్టింది చూడు. అమ్మో కుక్క ఎట్లా తిరిగింది తెలుసు.
Back home and I have a lot of things to show you guys. So let's get started. I think I'm going to start one by one. Alright, starting off, the first place that I went to is Miniso, and I picked up these tissue papers. These are something that I like to have in the car, always handy. And I think it's been more than 6 months I'm in a hunt of these. Like Miniso's not producing these, I'm not able to find them. So, and I don't like using the origami ones because they're very, very expensive for like a single use. So I feel like this works. This is 210 for like 3 sets. So this goes in, one is in my car, one is in my dad's car, and the other one just stays around so that if anything is out of stock, I stock them up. So this is that. The second thing that I bought are a pair of socks. Now if you know me, you know that I love socks, and I picked up these two from Miniso. These have really cute heart prints over. This is a navy blue with red, and this is white with blue. I really like these, and these were for 150 rupees, and I am somebody who loves wearing socks to sleep. I know I'm a little bit weird like that, but I really love it. So I picked these up. Then we went to H&M, and from H&M I just picked up one thing, and that is this beautiful bag. This is that rattan bag that is really pretty. This is actually the dupe of Prada's rattan bag, but I really like it, and I have like a really cute view in my mind with me and the beach and all of that. I don't know when this vacation is gonna happen, but this is my bag. I really like it. It has this beautiful neon kind of a color. It is subtle, but at the same time it looks very neon in the video. Love it. Then I went to Bata. I do know that Bata has come out with a new collection, but I did not like anything. But however, I did like a pair from Marie Claire in there, like in the Bata showroom itself. And these are these gorgeous pair. Like, oh my god, these are so pretty. These are the traditional pair with black flats. Like, these look so amazing. They have a little bit of a heel as well. These were so soft and so pretty. I love it, and this costed me about 1700 rupees, and I feel like for a very good traditional wear, these are absolutely pretty. And look how pretty it is. Oh my god, it looks stunning. I love these, and I don't have anything black, so this works really well. Loved it. Then I went to West Side, and in West Side I did pick up like 2 pairs of boxers for Lalit. I really love these boxers because they have like really cute prints. The first one has banana and lime, and the second one that I picked up has like a juice box and kiwis all over it. I really love this, and sometimes I feel like I can like rob them like in a very sunny day, just to like it's like a unisex thing in my house. So I got these. Then for myself, I picked up this really lovely like a night suit kind of a thing. For years I've been seeing this. I have a black one that I got from General Bazaar, so I thought I'll have this also. So there are like 2. If one is in the wash, I can wear one and sleep. I really love these. This is like a soft cotton material, so these won't like dye on you very fast. I really love this. And the last shop that we went to is Levi's. I did wear the Levi's t-shirt and go. Completely not planned, but I did pick up 2 pairs of jeans. One is this really dark blue kind of a thing. The other one is like a lighter stonewash kind of a color. I really love these two. Both of these are in my size. Love them. So yeah, these are all the things that I got, and these were on sale as well. So originally this was for 5,800 rupees, and I got them for 2,900. So much cheaper. Those are all the things that I did shopping today at Sarath City. I think most of these are useful. I think the only ones that I kind of splurged were the heels, but apart from that, all of these were necessary for me, like the tissue papers, the socks, the pants, like the jeans. Good fitted jeans was something that was missing in my life. But we come to the end of the video. I hope you enjoy such kind of videos. If you do, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, come join my family. It will mean a lot to me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Let's go.